and welcome to our channel. I am Franziska, this is my dad Wolfgang and my mom Heidi. In 2021 my dad and I started renovating an old abandoned farmhouse in a tiny village in the German countryside. On this channel we show you updates about the renovation and weekly renovation vlogs. My parents also own a farmstead and renovated this in the last 10 years, mostly on their own. From springtime into late fall, my mom's garden is a real oasis, which gives us lots of great vegetables and fruits and feeds the chicken. During the summer, she's busy preserving what we can't eat straight away, so we can have delicious desserts, drinks and ingredients for meals even in winter time. I love living in the countryside. There's plenty of nature to take my dogs for long walks, the people are great and life is a bit slower. If you want to join us on our renovation journey and see how this lost place turns into a cozy home, subscribe to our channel and activate the little bell. We hope you enjoy the videos and look forward to hearing from you in the comments. Thanks for your support. See you soon.